Make enchiladas, homemade enchilada sauce. Cooking tips to make easy enchiladas. Enchiladas are an easy meal that's sure to please everyone in your family. This easy enchilada recipe will even show you how to make homemade sauce to accompany the meal. Follow the cooking tips and steps below to make easy enchiladas at home. Step 1: Ingredients and supplies: 12 to 14 tortillas, 3/4 cup oil, 1 pound cheese, cooked and shredded chicken, optional, iceberg lettuce, optional, green onions, optional, black olives, optional, shallow pan or baking dish, small bowl, spoon pan for enchilada sauce, 3 tablespoons chili powder, 3 tablespoons flour, 1 teaspoon cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon garlic salt, 1 teaspoon oregano, 3 cups water, 1/8 ounce canned tomato sauce. Step 2: Prepare the ingredients. First, shred the cheese. It can be either finely or coarsely grated. Then, finely chop the iceberg lettuce, black olives, or green onions, if plan to use any. If using chicken, thoroughly cook it and then shred it for use inside the enchiladas. Step 3: Prepare the sauce. While you can use a store-bought can of enchilada sauce, the homemade variety is easy to make and tastes delicious. Enchilada sauce has a unique flavor that would seem difficult to make, but in fact it only involves a few ingredients. First, combine the dry ingredients for the sauce in a small bowl. You can adjust the amount of chili powder if you like your sauce more or less spicy. Stirring constantly, add enough water to make a thin paste. Then pour this mixture into the pan, and add the rest of the water. Cook over medium heat while stirring constantly until the sauce thickens. Now, stir in the tomato sauce. Step 4: Make the enchiladas. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Heat the oil in a small pan over medium-high heat. Dip the tortillas quickly into the oil, and then place in a baking dish. Sprinkle cheese in the middle of the tortilla, and then add chicken if you're making chicken enchiladas. You can use black olives inside the enchiladas, or sprinkle on top as a garnish. Finally, roll the tortilla, and place it with the seam down in your baking dish. You may want to stick toothpicks in the center to keep them from unrolling, but be sure they don't get lost in the dish. Repeat this until all of the tortillas are filled and are placed side by side in a single layer. Step 5: Finish the enchiladas. Next, pour the sauce over the enchiladas, and sprinkle a little cheese on top. Then bake for 20 minutes, uncovered. Step 6. Remove from oven. Once the enchiladas are done, remove them from the oven and garnish with green onions or shredded lettuce. Enjoy. The enchiladas should be served warm, with rice and beans. You can also serve chips and salsa as an easy appetizer with enchiladas. Enchiladas are a classic Mexican dish. They're easy to prepare, and perfect for serving a large crowd. Next time you have a craving for spicy, try making homemade sauce and easy enchiladas.